Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in tech, gadgets, and home entertainment. Today, we have a top contender in the ceiling mount category, and if you're looking for the best 70-inch TV ceiling mount, this is the product you need. We're talking about the WALI Ceiling TV Mount, an adjustable and heavy-duty ceiling mount bracket designed to hold TVs ranging from 37 inches all the way up to 90 inches. It's the perfect solution for those looking to optimize their viewing experience while keeping their living space tidy and free from bulky furniture. Right off the bat, the WALI Ceiling TV Mount stands out with its impressive build quality. Crafted from solid steel, this mount can hold up to 220 pounds, making it perfect for those heavy 70-inch or larger flat-screen TVs. The solid construction ensures a secure and sturdy installation, giving you peace of mind that your TV will stay safely mounted, whether you're watching a thrilling action film or enjoying a sports game. One of the key features of this mount is its exceptional versatility. Not only does it support a wide range of TV sizes, but it also provides tilt and swivel options for the perfect viewing angle. The mount tilts down 18 degrees, which is great for reducing glare and ensuring you get the best picture quality, no matter where you're sitting in the room. Plus, the 360-degree swivel function gives you the flexibility to adjust your TV's position effortlessly, making it ideal for rooms with varying viewing angles or even sloped ceilings. Speaking of sloped ceilings, this mount is designed to handle them with ease. Whether you're installing it in your living room, a gym, or even a commercial space like a restaurant or bar, the WALI Ceiling TV Mount adapts perfectly to different ceiling types. The adjustable height feature is another highlight, with an incremental range from 29.9 inches to 35.8 inches, allowing you to get that perfect eye-level viewing experience. Installation is a breeze thanks to the included mounting hardware kit, and the package also includes a user manual to guide you step by step through the process. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or someone who prefers professional help, this mount makes the job simple and straightforward. Plus, with the added benefit of cable management, you can keep your setup neat and organized. Whether you're mounting your TV in a high-ceiling living room, a commercial space, or a dedicated home theater room, the WALI Ceiling TV Mount is the ideal choice. It offers everything you need for a seamless, adjustable, and durable TV mounting solution. So, if you're in the market for the best 70-inch TV ceiling mount, look no further than this reliable and versatile option. Make sure to hit that like button if you found this review helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more great product critiques. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.